So hi everyone, with Donna the Explorer, and welcome to my channel. And yeah, we are on the way to the supermarket. We're going to buy some groceries for tonight's food and for the rest of the days for the coming few days. And I'm planning to cook to make creamy beef mushroom, and I would like to share to you how I make it. So I hope you will enjoy this vlog, and I hope that everyone is safe and well, and that everyone is happy and still alive and kicking. So see you soon. Bye bye. So I have here my shopping bag, and it's so pretty. It's with Mona Lisa. Do you find Mona Lisa pretty? She has no key lie. So this is Jumbo supermarket, and let's see inside how busy it is. In Jumbo, I'm in Jumbo supermarket, and yeah, it's actually not so busy here, and I'm amazed because most of the time it's busy, but now it's not so busy. And I also met a like a colleague from my past work, from my previous job. So first I have to get paprika, and I need green, but most of the time I buy like 3 pieces. So let's also get this one. Also need to buy Alles Reiniger. It's somewhere there, so I have to wait because we need to wait that people are away from each other. So Alles Reiniger, it's this one. I like this one. So it's for like €1.06. So that's it. Let's go to the milk section. So I'm done shopping for food, and we're on the way home. And I have some custard cake. Yes, this is really nice, tasty, and so buttery for snack. So Mark is not amused by because I bought like 10 kilo rice. So Scott, may I need amused? Are you not happy? Are you not eating rice tonight? Because I bought too much rice, and maybe someone else needs the rice, but I need rice. Life is without rice so boring. Ha 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 ha. So zwaar, Scott. Here is my sock. Peekaboo. So Mark painted our stairs like last week. So he's busy. Messy house. So bye bye, Scott. I will cook. Okay. So hi everyone. So we are in our kitchen. So I'm gonna show this part in case you want to see it, because the other part is messy. So yeah, we are gonna prepare the creamy beef mushroom soon, but before that, of course, I'll have to introduce the ingredients. for you guys. And I have here, of course, the garlic. I have white onion. I have the beef, which I already marinated for about 30 minutes with soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, salt, and pepper. So that's all of it. And I have here the mushroom. I have mushrooms, of course. I have here the green bell pepper, which is really tasty for this creamy beef mushroom recipe. And I have, this is not a recipe because I actually didn't share to you how much do you need for each ingredient, but you can search it yourself. But I mean, like, this is really tasty for this meal. And yeah, I really recommend the green bell pepper. So, and of course the red bell pepper, and I made here some white sauce. This is with whole milk, butter, and yeah, salt and pepper. Actually, that's it. So let's begin soon. See you. Next step is the bouillon. So that's it. Let's wait till it boils. How do you call that? Yeah. A little bit of mix. And let's wait actually that the beef is soft and like ready to eat. Like that the beef is not so hard anymore. So let's wait for that. So see you soon. So next step is the mushrooms. Plank. Mushroom. So difficult to vlog when you don't have the material to vlog because I'm holding like I'm cooking with one hand, but I'm proud of it. We'll see. So that's the mushroom. Let's wait till it's ready. I'll sit down. So how much sauce do you want? Do you want it to be really saucy or not? So like for me, maybe I'll put more bouillon in it because I think this will still dry up. I'm sure. Especially because I have the mushroom, so I'll put more bouillon. By the way, if you don't have bouillon, if you cannot make bouillon yourself, you can buy some like beef cubes, like Knorr beef cubes. So that's it. So while waiting for the mushroom to be done, let's cook some sunny side up eggs, and Mark will help me with that. So of course, sunny side up egg for the with the beef, the creamy beef mushroom later is really nice. Oh, that's it. Of course you know how to cook egg. So that's actually it, and some salt and pepper, of course. So don't overcook your mushroom because it's not nice, of course, and it's overcooked. So let's put the green bell pepper. And let's mix. See, it's messier. Let's increase the fire again. And then, let's flip for a while. And then let's put the red bell pepper. See, the color is nicer, better. Boy, my sunny side up egg is almost ready. And lastly, we put the cream. And it will make our beef creamy. So let's do this. And of course, you can add some flavors later, like salt, pepper, and I don't know if you like to put some soy sauce or something. But that's it for now, and let's wait again till it's cooked. So guys, this is finished actually. So let's turn off the fire and let's eat together. So of course, the sunny side up egg is ready. I'll show you how I will plate it soon. So with the help of Mark, of course, because I cannot plate it alone. Scott, wil je me helpen? Alsjeblieft, dankjewel. Poink. So let's plate our creamy beef mushroom. And of course, I have here 1 cup of rice, which is impossible because of course I'll eat more rice. So here is my rice, and I have my creamy beef mushroom here. Can you see it, Scott? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Creamy beef mushroom. Eva. I think I need some more spoon. See? The sauce. Can you see the sauce? And then I have here my sunny side up egg. Let's put it here, maybe like that. And let's put some gebakken, oh yeah, what is fried onions. You can put some spring onions if you like, and whatever you like. So, can you see it well? Kom Schat here in the licht. To try it now. Paprika is the rundown. Mark is trying the beef. Now drama war over. Hey Scott.
Heerlijk.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, and have a nice evening or morning or afternoon. Charot. Pag siya kanon, pag kaon. You have to eat the beef, Scott. Like a the eye, crunchy. Bottom is crunchy. Okay, 8 smakalak, Scott. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye-bye.
So, hi guys, I'm back. I thought I'm gonna say bye-bye. So, I've made some kwek-kwek today, and here's the photo of the kwek-kwek. So, if you're interested to see how I made it, just tell me, and I'll show you how I made it. But it's very easy. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye-bye.